All right, hey everybody. This is the document you're going to be using all throughout the rest of this trimester when it comes to math. When you clicked on the link, it should have made your own copy. So the first thing I want you to do is where it says R fraction unit, go ahead and type your name there. So you're just going to click and then type. So my name would be Benjamin Light. So I would type that there. Okay. So then it should be your name followed by the R fraction unit. Okay. So the very first thing you'll see is kind of the map of knowledge when it comes to fractions. Remember, those numbers are like the standards that we're working on. So the numbers with the letters and everything. And it shows the progression, like what you need to learn first and how things are connected. If there's an arrow, so like here, there's 5NF3, and then there's an arrow to 5NF5. What that means is if you don't master 5NF3, then it's going to be really hard to master 5NF5. Okay, it's going to be almost impossible. So keep that in mind. If there's a bar that is just connected like that, it means they're related, and like you could even learn them at the same time. Okay, so that is what that means. Here, like you'll see 5NF4A and then 5NF4. So there's different levels of the standard, different levels of difficulty. So you have to master the easier stuff first. And the little letters up there, I'll explain those later if you have questions. It's not a big deal for you to understand right now, but I didn't want to not include it. All that means is A over B, which is a fraction, times a whole number. And this, when it says no mixed, it means doing these word problems without mixed numbers. All right, below that, I have your steps outlined for you, what you're going to do. And we're just doing step one is obviously the first thing that we need to work on. And that's all I have kind of outlined out for the exercises right now. So don't worry about going on to step two yet. So basically what happens is it has the evidence that you've mastered 5NF3. So these are the questions you're going to have to answer, not inside your document. You could link your answer to it if it's a video, if it's a picture of some work. However it is you want to do, you would add a link here to show your evidence. You would not answer here. So these are the questions that you have to answer to show that you've mastered this standard. If you want to do Khan Academy exercises, I have them underneath here for you. Just click on those links. It'll take you to Khan Academy and you can work on those exercises. If not, obviously today it'll be a little weird since it's all virtual. I won't necessarily do a lesson, but in class I will certainly be doing lessons which explain how to do all of these concepts. And so that's it. It's kind of up to you. It shows you the outline, shows you what you need to be working on, what questions you need to answer to master. It goes all the way through step three. But again, I haven't added the Khan Academy exercises for step two and step three yet. I probably will at some point. And now that I'm thinking about it, if you make a copy of this, you won't get those. So this is your teacher thinking out loud here. That's fine. We'll figure it out from there. Okay. If you have any questions, again, Google Hangout me. Okay. Bye.